Yeah, it's on.
Brake lights. Right, you got bright. You got brighter. Yep.
Yeah, it's brighter.
This one. We got the screen.
I'm a gas bottle, stay on the boil. Y'all stay close to the bottom. I'm on the cusp of a boil. You get close and you cup it. One little drop and it be the straw that breaks the camel's back. Come on, lad, relax. Nah, I can't, lad. I'm like that, and now it's turned into a disorder that I try to maintain. But when they piss me off, the old one comes out and starts putting on a pain. So if you wanna be a pain, go away, cause I ain't got the time these days. It gets to the stage where I gotta check myself or I check you, mate. My missus hates it, my kid too. I'm lucky they still here, still living in the past. Now it's getting to the stage where it's clear I'm getting too old to be a motherfucking punk. That's why my bike has to be legal. North mini cycles, I'm getting too old to be a motherfucking punk. That's why my bike has to be legal. North mini cycles. Yo, some things never change. Lord, I'm telling you, man, I'm the same. But I've been trying to work on my ways, cause the little man can't see this side. I'm getting too old to be that guy. At the same time, these ways are mine. I've been like this since I was 5. A little shit like that bar guy, still doing shit that I shouldn't. It's like an addiction, I couldn't. One day I'll get booked for a book and they look at me now and they look at me crooked. My lady been stressing, I'm stressing her out, and I know it ain't good. And I don't know how to tell her I'm trying when I know she knows I ain't. So I'm just taking it day by day, and I'm hoping that things will change. And they say you shouldn't go cold turkey, cause it could send you insane. But when I look back and I see what I got, and I look at the A, I'm getting too old to be a motherfucking punk. That's why my bike has to be legal. North mini cycles, I'm getting too old to be a motherfucking punk. That's why my bike has to be legal. North mini cycles.